recent leak surrounding the CMF Phone 2 has sparked a wave of anticipation among tech enthusiasts as it unveils several major design modifications that strongly indicate a substantial upgrade over its predecessor. A highly regarded tech insider known as Panic Cat has exclusively shared hands-on images of the CMF Phone 2's rear panel on Reddit. These leaked visuals provide an up-close look at some of the most notable design elements and potential features of the upcoming smartphone. Upon closely analyzing the leaked images, one of the most striking improvements is the phone's sleek, more polished appearance, which gives it a noticeably premium feel. However, the biggest revelation comes from the camera system, an all-new additional sensor arranged in a unique triangular layout. This design tweak strongly suggests enhancements in photography, potentially offering improved image quality, better depth perception, or superior low-light capabilities. But that's not all. The CMF Phone 2 has yet another intriguing detail that could make it even more appealing to consumers, setting it apart from its competition in the ever-evolving smartphone market. As flagship smartphones continue to rise in price, frequently crossing the $1,000 threshold, affordable alternatives have become more important than ever. While premium Android devices offer cutting-edge technology and top-tier features, not everyone is willing to make such a significant financial investment. This is where brands like CMF come into play, providing smartphones that not only exude a high-end look, but also remain budget-friendly, making them an attractive option for cost-conscious consumers. Just last year, the CMF Phone 1 made a notable entrance into the market, delivering an impressive array of features at a price point slightly above $200. It successfully demonstrated that solid performance and affordability don't have to be mutually exclusive. Speaking of which, have you had the opportunity to try out the CMF Phone 1A? If you have, we'd love to hear about your experience. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. The CMF Phone 2 is shaping up to be a worthy successor to the CMF Phone 1, aiming to enhance its features while still keeping its budget-friendly appeal. Based on recent leaks, one of the most striking upgrades is the enhanced camera system. Unlike its predecessor, this new iteration now boasts a third camera sensor, signaling a greater focus on photography. While the specific details regarding this additional sensor have not been revealed yet, the redesigned camera module strongly suggests that users can expect a notable improvement in image quality and overall photography performance. Another intriguing discovery from the leaks is that the placement of the rear-mounted panel screws appears to be identical to that of the CMF Phone 1. If this design choice remains unchanged, it could indicate that accessories made for the original model will still be fully compatible with the CMF Phone 2. This would be a significant advantage for existing users, as they wouldn't have to invest in entirely new accessories, something that many smartphone brands often force upon customers by making slight design modifications with each new release. If CMF sticks to this approach, it could set them apart by prioritizing user convenience over unnecessary accessory upgrades. Beyond just its performance, the design of this device has been turning heads and generating a lot of buzz. One of the standout elements is the sleek gray color variant, which was recently revealed through leaked images. This particular shade gives the phone a sophisticated and modern aesthetic, further enhancing its premium appeal. While the company has yet to officially confirm the full specifications and pricing details, earlier leaks suggest that the device might be powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chip. However, since both the recently launched Nothing Phone 3A and Nothing Phone 3A Pro are already equipped with the same processor, it remains unclear whether CMF will continue with this choice or opt for a different chipset to help distinguish this new model from its predecessor. As for pricing, there is a possibility that Nothing may choose to go with a processor that ranks slightly below the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3. This move could allow the company to create a more diverse product lineup while also keeping the device competitively priced. Despite this potential change, the CMF Phone 2 is still expected to offer solid performance, making it a compelling option even when compared to more expensive smartphones currently available on the market. If CMF continues to build on its proven strategy, the CMF Phone 2 has the potential to once again deliver high-end features while maintaining a price point that appeals to budget-conscious buyers. With a refined design, potential upgrades to its camera technology, and a strong focus on affordability, this upcoming device is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the ever-changing smartphone market. What are your thoughts on the much-anticipated CMF Phone 2? Are you excited about its official release and the features it might bring? We'd love to hear your opinions, so don't forget to share them in the comments below. On that note, thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Bye!